Biomolecules. Top 50. Multiple choice questions. 1. Formation of complex substances from simpler compounds is called as A. Anabolic pathway. B. Catabolic pathway. C. Degradation pathway. D. Metabolic pathway. Answer. A. Anabolic pathway. 2. Those metabolites that are formed during growth phase as a result of energy metabolism are called as A. Primary metabolites. B. Secondary metabolites. C. Tertiary metabolites. D. Quaternary metabolites. Answer. A. Primary metabolites. 3. Which among the following is incorrect about different saccharides? A. Polysaccharides are used to store food whereas most of the monosaccharides are used for instantaneous energy. B. Most of the polysaccharides are sweet in taste and therefore are also called sugars. C. Starch can be digested whereas cellulose can't be digested. D. Saccharides are also classified as ketose and aldose. Answer. B. Most of the polysaccharides are sweet in taste and therefore are also called sugars. 4. Primary storage of food in animals is through A. Fats. B. Glucose. C. Glycogen. D. Galactose. Answer. A. Fats. 5. Which among the following is incorrect about amino acids? A. There are 20 naturally occurring amino acids. B. All the amino acids are chiral. C. Amino acids are classified as acidic, basic or neutral based on the relative number of amino and carboxylic groups. D. Amino acids are classified as essential amino acids and non-essential based on whether they are synthesized in the body or not. Answer. B. All the amino acids are chiral. 6. Which among the following statements is incorrect about classification of protein? A. Fibrous proteins result when long peptide chains run parallel and are held by hydrogen and sulfide linkages. B. Globular structures result when chain of polypeptide coil around themselves to form a globe-like structure. C. Linear structure of amino acids in a polypeptide is called primary structure. D. Collagen is an example of globular protein. Answer. D. Collagen is an example of globular protein. 7. Which among the following is incorrect about denaturation? A. Proteins have a unique structure which might get disrupted with change in pH and temperature. B. Secondary, tertiary and quaternary structure is lost. C. Proteins still retain their characteristics as they don't lose their primary structure. D. Proteins are stereospecific to many enzymes. Answer. C. Proteins still retain their characteristics as they don't lose their primary structure. 8. Which among the following does not affect the activity of the enzyme after a particular point? A. Temperature. B. pH. C. Concentration of substrates. D. Competitive inhibitor. Answer. C. Concentration of substrates. 9. Enzymes that link covalent bond between substrates to form a large molecule are called A. Isomerases. B. Lyases. C. Ligases. D. Transferases. Answer. A. Isomerases. 10. Which among the following is incorrect about lipids? A. These are heterogeneous organic compounds comprising of C, H and O. B. These are water-insoluble and release more energy as compared to carbohydrates. C. These also act as water barrier and messenger and are constituents of plant. D. Phospholipids are an example of simple fatty acids. Answer. D. Phospholipids are an example of simple fatty acids. 11. Which among the following is incorrect about RNA? A. RNA is of three types, i.e. rRNA, mRNA and tRNA. B. mRNA carries the code for protein synthesis in terms of three nucleotide bases called codons. C. Each codon will represent a unique amino acid and an amino acid is represented by a unique codon. D. rRNA synthesis the proteins and tRNA will recognize the codons. Answer. C. Each codon will represent a unique amino acid and an amino acid is represented by a unique codon. 12. What chemical is used to grind tissues for chemical analysis? A. Formaldehyde. B. Methanol. C. Hydrofluoric acid. D. Trichloroacetic acid. Answer. D. Trichloroacetic acid. 13. What is the nature of the filtrate after grinding tissue? A. Basic. B. Acid insoluble. C. Acid soluble. D. Acidic. Answer. C. Acid soluble. 14. An amino acid is a substituted. A. Carboxylic acid. B. Alcohol. C. Methane. D. Aldehyde. Answer. C. Methane. 15. What is the simplest amino acid? A. Valine. B. Glycine. C. Methionine. D. Alanine. Answer. B. Glycine. 16. Which of these is an amino acid with pH less than 7? A. Valine. B. Lysine. C. Glutamic acid. D. Histidine. Answer. C. Glutamic acid. 17. Which of these amino acids is not aromatic? A. Tyrosine. B. Methionine. C. Tryptophan. D. Phenylalanine. Answer. B. Methionine. 18. Which of these statements is not true regarding amino acids? A. The amino group is ionizable. B. The acidic group is ionizable. C. Structure remains same at different pH. D. Glycine is the simplest amino acid. Answer. C. Structure remains same at different pH. 19. What is the unit of measurement of weight of biomacromolecules? A. Nanometer. B. Farad. C. Angstrom. D. Dalton. Answer. D. Dalton. 20. Which of these compounds is not present in the acid-insoluble fraction of homogenized tissue? A. Proteins. B. Fats. C. Vitamins. D. Nucleic acids. Answer. C. Vitamins. 21. 2% of the total cellular mass is A. Proteins. B. Lipids. C. Icons. D. Nucleic acids. Answer. B. Lipids. 22. What is the full form of Rubisco? A. Ribosome bisphosphate carboxylase oxidase. B. Ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase oxidase. C. Ribosome bisphosphate carboxyoxygenase. D. Ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. Answer. D. Ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. 23. What is the function of GLUT4? A. Enables transport of both insulin and glucose into cells. B. Enables glucose transport into cells. C. Enables glucose transport out of cells. D. Enables transport of both sodium and glucose out of cells. Answer. B. Enables glucose transport into cells. 24. Which of these is a macromolecule? A. Vitamins. B. Minerals. C. Lipids. D. Polysaccharides. Answer. D. Polysaccharides. 25. Which of these is a storehouse of energy in animal tissues? A. Glucose. B. Cellulose. C. Starch. D. Glycogen. Answer. D. Glycogen. 26. Which part of glycogen is the reducing end? A. Second monomer from the left. B. Second monomer from the right. C. Left end. D. Right end. Answer. D. Right end. 27. Which of these statements is not true regarding polysaccharides? A. Cellulose has a linear structure. B. Inulin is a heteropolymer. C. Glycogen has a branched structure. D. Polysaccharide chains have a non-reducing left end. Answer. B. Inulin is a heteropolymer. 28. Which molecule can starch hold in its helix? A. Iodine. B. DNA. C. Amylopectin. D. Cellulose. Answer. A. Iodine. 29. The absence of which structure in cellulose does not allow it to hold iodine molecules? A. Branches. B. Left non-reducing end. C. Right reducing end. D. Helix. Answer. D. Helix. 30. Which of these statements is not true regarding polysaccharides? A. Inulin is a polysaccharide made of fructose. B. Chitin is a heteropolymer. C. Glycogen is a highly branched polysaccharide. D. Cellulose makes up cotton fibers. Answer. B. Chitin is a heteropolymer. 31. What is the main component of the plant cell wall? A. Lipids. B. Glycogen. C. Cellulose. D. Peptidoglycan. Answer. C. Cellulose. 32. How many distinct components does each nucleotide contain? A. 2. B. 3. C. 1. D. 4. Answer. B. 3. 33. Which of these components of nucleotides is heterocyclic? A. Adenine. B. Phosphoric acid. C. Monosaccharide. D. Phosphate. Answer. A. Adenine. 34. Which of these is present in the acid-insoluble fraction of living tissue? A. Ascorbic acid. B. Magnesium. C. Riboflavin. D. DNA. Answer. D. DNA. 35. What is the configuration of proteins in the primary structure? A. Helix. B. Line. C. Sheet. D. Globule. Answer. B. Line. 36. What is the right end of the primary structure of proteins represented by A. Methyl group. B. Cofactor. C. First amino acid. D. Last amino acid. Answer. D. Last amino acid. 37. What is the last amino acid of the primary structure known as A. N-terminal amino acid. B. L-terminal amino acid. C. S-terminal amino acid. D. C-terminal amino acid. Answer. D. C-terminal amino acid. 38. Which of these statements is true about biomolecules? A. Biomolecules cannot be broken down into simpler substances. B. Concentration of biomolecules can be expressed in moles, Kelvin. C. Biomolecules have a turnover. D. Each cell has only two types of biomolecules. Answer. C. Biomolecules have a turnover. 39. Which of these statements is false regarding metabolism? A. Most reactions occur in metabolic pathways. B. One metabolic reaction is linked to another in most cases. C. Metabolic pathways are linear in nature. D. Various metabolic pathways may crisscross each other. Answer. C. Metabolic pathways are linear in nature. 40. The metabolic breakdown of biomolecules is known as A. Digestion. B. Anabolism. C. Catabolism. D. Degradation. Answer. C. Catabolism. 41. Which of these statements is true about metabolism? A. Metabolic pathways are always circular. B. Metabolic pathways are always linear. C. All metabolic reactions are catalyzed. D. The level of metabolites is always constant. Answer. C. All metabolic reactions are catalyzed. 42. Which of these is true about enzymes? A. All enzymes have catalytic power. B. Enzymes are active at high temperatures. C. Enzymes are carbohydrates. D. Enzymes often get depleted. Answer. A. All enzymes have catalytic power. 43. Which of these processes require energy? A. Formation of acetic acid from cholesterol. B. Formation of glucose from glycogen. C. Formation of pyruvate from glucose. D. Formation of protein from amino acids. Answer. D. Formation of protein from amino acids. 44. How are enzymes different from catalysts? A. Enzymes are active at high temperatures. B. Catalysts are active at sub-zero temperatures. C. Catalysts are efficient at high temperatures and high pressures. D. Enzymes are denatured at room temperature. Answer. C. Catalysts are efficient at high temperatures and high pressures. 45. How can we express the rate of a physical or chemical process? A. Amount of product formed per unit time. B. Amount of precipitate formed per unit time. C. Amount of substrate used per unit product. D. Amount of time taken per unit product. Answer. A. Amount of product formed per unit time. 46. The energy of the transition state of an enzymatic reaction is A. Higher than the energy of the product but lesser than that of the substrate. B. Lower than the energy of the product. C. Equal to the energy of the substrate. D. Higher than the energies of both the substrate and the product. Answer. D. Higher than the energies of both the substrate and the product. 47. Which of these conditions signify an exothermic reaction? A. The energy of the product is lesser than that of the enzyme-substrate complex. B. The energy of the product is higher than that of the substrate. C. The energy of the product is lesser than that of the substrate. D. The energy of the product is equal to that of the substrate. Answer. C. The energy of the product is lesser than that of the substrate. 48. Which of these statements is true regarding competitive inhibitors? A. It inhibits the activity of substrate. B. Malonate increases succinate dehydrogenase activity. C. They are structurally different from the substrate. D. They are used in the control of bacterial pathogens. Answer. D. They are used in the control of bacterial pathogens. 49. The association of which of these with apoenzymes is transient? A. Coenzyme. B. Prosthetic group. C. Metal enzyme. D. Apoenzyme. Answer. A coenzyme. 50. What is the heme portion of catalase known as? A. Coenzyme. B. Prosthetic group. C. Metal enzyme. D. Apoenzyme. Answer. B. Prosthetic group. Thank you. And Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.